Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts of Life, where we explore the coolest, quirkiest, and most mind-blowing facts from all around the world. And today, we're going bananas, literally, because we're talking all about monkeys. Get ready for some wild facts that'll make you see these incredible creatures in a whole new way. Let's jump right in. We start off with one of Earth's most complex, old-world monkeys, the Barbary macaque. Number 1. The battle for dominance. Male Barbary macaques are highly competitive, especially when it comes to dominance. They often engage in brutal physical confrontations, with biting, slapping, and throwing each other around to establish control over the group. The winner earns mating rights and the power to lead the troop, but the losers suffer serious injuries. These battles can leave scars and can even result in broken bones if the fight escalates. It's a survival of the fittest mentality, but with extra fur and teeth. Number 2. Infanticide, the dark side of mating strategies. In the world of Barbary macaques, infanticide is a grim reality. If a new male takes over a group, one of the first things he might do is kill infants. This brutal act forces the females to go into estrus, making them more likely to mate with him. It's a harsh survival tactic, and while it's not the norm, it happens with disturbing frequency. The fact that a male will destroy another male's offspring to further his own genetic line is a chilling aspect of their social structure. Number 3. Harsh punishment for social missteps. Barbary macaques have a strict social hierarchy, and anyone who steps out of line can face extreme punishment. If a lower-ranking member of the troop challenges a higher-ranking individual, they might face a brutal attack. These attacks can include gang beatings, with multiple monkeys joining in to physically overwhelm the individual. Social outcasts are often excluded from group activities, and some may even be forced to live alone, struggling to survive on the outskirts. Number 4. Old World Balance. In addition to plant matter, Barbary macaques also consume a variety of insects, including caterpillars, termites, and other pests. By keeping these populations in check, macaques help maintain the balance of the food web. Without predators, like the macaques, certain insect species could become overly abundant, leading to overgrazing of vegetation and disruptions in plant growth. This natural pest control helps maintain a healthy, balanced ecosystem. Number 5. Millions of years of legacy. The Barbary macaque Macaca sylvanus belongs to a very ancient family of primates called Cercopithecidae, also known as Old World monkeys. This family first appeared around 25 million years ago during the Miocene epoch in the warm forests of Africa and Asia, while the Barbary macaque itself may have evolved relatively recently within the last 2 million years. Its family lineage goes way back, connecting it to the very roots of primate evolution. The macaque's ancestors were some of the first primates to adapt to a terrestrial land-based lifestyle, setting the stage for many future species in the Macaca genus. Number 6. The Barbary macaque and the birth of the Cercopithocoidea superfamily. The Barbary macaque is a member of the Cercopithocoidea superfamily, which includes all the Old World monkeys. The evolutionary ancestors of this superfamily first appeared around 35 million years ago, giving rise to many of the species we see today. However, the Barbary macaque is particularly interesting because of its unique evolutionary path compared to other macaques. While many of its cousins, like the Japanese macaque Maca fuscata or Rhesus macaque Maca mulata, adapted to a range of climates in Asia and Southeast Asia, the Barbary macaque's distinct adaptations to colder climates and Mediterranean habitats make it one of the most unique members of the genus. Hidden in the misty canopies of Southeast Asia lives a creature so surreal you wouldn't believe it if you saw it. The red-shanked Douc. Number 1. Nature's masterpiece, the 5-color monkey. The red-shanked Douc Langur pigathrix nemeus is often referred to as the 5-color monkey or costumed monkey due to its incredibly vibrant appearance. It looks like it's wearing a royal outfit. Bright red lower legs, white forearms like opera gloves, black hands and feet, a golden-orange face framed with fluffy white whiskers, and a gray-blue body topped off with a long white tail. Their unique coloration makes them one of the most visually striking primates on Earth. Number 2. Leaf-eating specialists with multi-chambered stomachs. These monkeys are folivores, meaning they primarily feed on leaves, which are tough to digest and low in nutrients. To adapt, they have evolved multi-chambered, fermenting stomachs that work similarly to those of cows, breaking down cellulose with the help of symbiotic bacteria. This slow digestion process means they spend many hours each day just sitting and processing food. Number 3. Masters of the treetops. Red-shanked Doucs are strictly arboreal, meaning they spend their entire lives in the forest canopy and rarely come down to the ground. They move with agility and grace, capable of leaping over 20 feet between branches using their strong limbs and long tails for balance. This treetop lifestyle also makes them harder to spot and harder to protect. They often start their mornings with dramatic leaps through the canopy, moving together like aerial acrobats. Number 4. A lineage older than most great apes. The colobine monkeys, including Doucs, diverged from the common ancestor of baboons and macaques before gorillas and chimpanzees even existed. That means the evolutionary roots of the red-shanked Douc Langur are older than many of the apes we consider our closest relatives. While great apes evolved to walk the forest floor, Doucs remained in the treetops, perfecting a high canopy lifestyle. Their survival over millions of years shows just how successful their ancient adaptations really are. Number 5. Isolated by rivers for thousands of years. For thousands of years, large rivers in Southeast Asia have isolated different species of Douc langurs, like the gray-shanked and black-shanked Douc, leading to distinct evolutionary branches. The red-shanked Douc developed its vivid colors and unique traits as it adapted to specific forest habitats. These rivers acted as natural barriers, preventing interbreeding and allowing each species to evolve on its own. Today, their ranges rarely overlap, and differences go beyond looks. Even their behaviors and calls have diverged. Number 6. Female Doucs make the first move. In a twist on typical primate behavior, it's usually the female red-shanked Douc who initiates mating. She signals her interest by presenting her rear, looking back at the male, and sometimes shaking her head gently, a subtle but clear invitation. This behavior helps reduce aggression and confusion within the group, since it's a clear and intentional signal. If the male is receptive, he may respond by approaching calmly, grooming her, or sitting close before mating takes place. Creature of power, strategy, and unrivaled survival instincts. Meet the Hamadryas baboon. Number 1. Unusual mating system. Hamadryas baboons have a very unique and structured mating system where one dominant male controls a group of females, forming what's called a harem. The dominant male is the primary protector and mate of the females in his group, and his power and strength determine how many females he can control. This system means that the male has exclusive access to the females in his harem, and younger or less dominant males often have to form alliances or try to challenge the leader to gain access to females. Number 2. Prehistoric ancestors. Hamadryas baboons are part of one of the oldest baboon lineages, with their ancestors diverging from other baboon species around 1–2 million years ago. They have inhabited the Horn of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula for millions of years, and their long evolutionary history has shaped many of their unique behaviors and adaptations. As one of the oldest surviving primate species, they provide valuable insight into the social structures and evolutionary history of primates. Number 3. Incredible adaptation to harsh environments. Hamadryas baboons are incredibly well adapted to surviving in harsh, arid environments like the deserts and semi-deserts of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They can go without water for long periods and are skilled at finding food in rocky, dry landscapes. Their ability to survive without access to frequent water sources and in extreme heat makes them one of the most resilient primate species. Their thick fur helps protect them from the harsh sun, and their strong social bonds allow them to cope with the stress of living in such a demanding environment. Number 4. Baboon Olympics. Despite the focus on dominance, Hamadryas baboons engage in playful social interactions that can resemble mock battles or acrobatic displays, often referred to as their version of the Baboon Olympics. These playful activities, which include roughhousing and physical interactions, help younger males practice dominance behaviors and solidify social bonds. These behaviors are not just about fun. They serve as a form of social training, teaching younger baboons how to assert themselves within the troop's complex hierarchy. Number 5. Territorial and aggressive. Hamadryas baboons can be fiercely territorial and aggressive, especially when it comes to protecting their harems and dominance within the troop. The dominant males often engage in violent confrontations with rival males to maintain control of their group. These battles can sometimes result in injury or even death, as males fight to establish and preserve their power. In some cases, the aggression extends to the offspring, where dominant males may try to eliminate infants to assert control or force females to become fertile again. Number 6. Early ancestors in Africa. The early ancestors of Hamadryas baboons first evolved in Africa around 2 to 3 million years ago, during a time of significant environmental changes. As Africa's climate shifted, some of these ancient baboons began to adapt to more open, savanna-like environments, which eventually gave rise to the species we know today. These early baboons were likely more generalized in their diet and habitat preferences. But over time, certain populations specialized for harsher environments, eventually migrating to the Arabian Peninsula. The gradual shift in their habitat and behaviors demonstrates the remarkable adaptability of the species. From the shadows of Africa's forests, monkey leaps like a ghost, silent, powerful, and ancient. Meet the Black-and-White Colobus. Number 1. Ancient lineage dating back millions of years. Black-and-White Colobus monkeys belong to a group of primates that diverged from other monkeys around 10–15 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. This ancient lineage of colobine monkeys has evolved to adapt to various environments across Africa, making them one of the most primitive and specialized leaf-eating primates alive today. Their ancestors once roamed across a larger part of Africa, though modern colobus populations are primarily found in the tropical forests of West and Central Africa. Number 2. Culture and mythological. Throughout history, black-and-white colobus monkeys have had an important cultural and symbolic presence in African civilizations. In ancient African art, particularly in regions such as the Congo Basin, their distinctive black and white fur has been depicted in sculptures, masks, and carvings. These representations often symbolize qualities such as agility, intelligence, and mystery. which were valued traits in many African societies. The monkey's presence in folklore and mythology reflects their deep integration into the cultural landscape of Africa, where they were sometimes seen as messengers between the spiritual and physical worlds. Number 3. Complex social tapestry. These monkeys form tight-knit social groups, usually led by a dominant male with multiple females and their offspring. The groups are typically organized in a way that females remain with their natal group, while males may move between groups during their lives. These close social bonds foster strong cooperation, especially when it comes to defending their territory or caring for infants. Within the group, grooming plays an essential role in maintaining social ties. And it's not just about hygiene, it's a key part of bonding and communication. Number 4. Distinctive coloration. Black-and-white Colobus monkeys sport an eye-catching coat of glossy black fur, complemented by a flowing white mantle that gives them a somewhat regal appearance. Their black fur helps them blend into the dense shadows of their forest homes, while the white fur may serve as a form of communication or to help members spot each other in the thick canopy. Their bold look not only makes them unique among primates, but is also a signature feature in the folklore and culture of the regions they inhabit. Number 5. Ecologically important. Black-and-white Colobus monkeys play an important role in seed dispersal. As they consume leaves and fruit, they drop seeds while moving through the trees, helping plants regenerate and supporting forest biodiversity. Their leaf-eating habits also help control the growth of certain plant species, keeping the forest's ecosystem balanced. Additionally, by maintaining the health of the plants they feed on, they indirectly support other animals that rely on these plants for food and shelter. Number 6. Subordinate males and competition. While the dominant male gets most of the mating opportunities, subordinate males still attempt to mate with females. They may challenge the dominant male for access to females, but such challenges often lead to fights, which are typically resolved by the stronger or more dominant male. Occasionally, subordinate males may sneak mating opportunities when the dominant male is distracted. These sneaky strategies are a way for lower-ranking males to pass on their genes without engaging in direct confrontation. And that wraps up today's video on some fascinating facts about monkeys. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and their unique behaviors. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Facts of Life for more fun and interesting content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which monkey fact blew your mind, or if you want to learn about something else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And as always, stay curious.